150 motorcycles wey we sabi as Okada.
You just notice and notice. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Shady like this kind thing with tomato. Oh no no. Now the little things you do make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby come, oh girl I want
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Una know say this my channel. It dey about whether good or bad, I bring it to our table. Today na still my Edo area. Gather on this my table today. Today I bring this news come for us. Yes, now good news, no be bad news. Let's still happy for the little one we still got. Let's still shake it body. Let's still appreciate. Let's still embrace it. And now let's still thank the governor. My people, today our governor Obaseki, he buy Okada. He buy Okada for security, that is for vigilante, and he still buy car. I go like make we listen to him before me I drop my own 2 cents. I receive one comment. I believe me now. Now for us, now for our own to better, throw away this, throw away the hate. If I do my video, I do it the way I see it. You leave your opinion. I not be politician. I did this my chair to analyze. It's for you to agree and disagree. Stop telling me I'm one-sided. No, it's my opinion. If my opinion doesn't suit you well, then drop your opinion. Stop telling me I'm one-sided. Me, I will look at you now. You are one-sided. Oh. Are you Obaseki's son? Are you Obaseki's daughter? Obaseki is not my father, it's not my brother, it's just Edo governor, our governor. We want him to do well, to perform. We want him to do well. Let's listen to him, then we...
After them finish the State Security Council meeting for Edo State Government House, Edo State Governor Mr. Gov Obas donates 150 motorcycles where we sabi as Okada give Edo State Security Vigilante Network (ESSVN). As this one go take help them fight crime katakata for inside the state. Governor Gov Obas talks say them give Edo State Vigilante Network these motorcycles them, make them forfeit do them work well as we say where motor no go feel reach, Okada go feel go there, and it talks say make them collect the motorcycles from them as we say this one now waiting Edo State government won't take support the vigilante network.
We are handing over 150 motorcycles for members of the Edo State vigilante network to enable them access remote areas for providing security to our people in Edo State. Please accept these motorcycles on behalf of the state government.
Association of Local Government of Nigeria, ALGON, Edo State Chapter, then follow Tanda put for better security matter for the state, as them follow donate 18 Sienna balls give the vigilante network for Edo State. Edo State Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Honorable Monday Usaibovo, he talks to the Sienna balls them go help ASSVN to take work well for the state. And this one, as sake of Edo State Governor Mr. Obaseki don't talk say make Algon, make them put body well for IGR, where we sabi as internally generated revenue. When them get better IGR, then go fit do better to take support Edo State Security Vigilante Network.
Sienna buses purchased by the Association of Local Governments, Algon, to support Edo State Government Security Network. We'll hope that as we are getting more IGRO, as His Excellency has directed us to fix the IGRO, we will also be raising some funds to buy more. But today, we are giving a team to support Edo State Government Security Network. Thank you, His Excellency.
Coordinator for ESSVN, Colonel Kole Omomina, salute Edo State Governor and Edo State Chapter for Algon. On top of this Ogbonge donation where them give them, he contacts the State Vigilante Network ready put body well for security matter for the state. To see say peace they gidigba and crime matter Iwaka go down.
His Excellency has donated bikes the Edo State Security Vigilante Network. Be rest assured, sir, Your Excellency, that we are going to make judicious use of it. Most of the places where the vehicles cannot go to, be rest assured, His Excellency, that the bikes will surely go there. And we are going to reduce crime and criminality to the barest minimum in Edo State. Be rest assured, His Excellency, sir.
Make una sabi say this one a part of Edo State government under Governor Gov Obas to take finish well for inside.
Obaseki, I know say na our money too. Na our money and I do money. And thank you very much for that that your good work. We appreciate it for you to, give back to people. May they enter forest, may they go they dig the thief, the armed robber. Thank you. And the car when you donate, those things no be big deal for Oxshire, for me. As far as don't they abroad, no be big deal. Now security. Now, now right for the government to, provide those things for us. No come for me. Now right, now our right to our governor, our government to bring security, strong security. We appreciate it. No be say I no appreciate it, I appreciate am. But what I want try to tell our governor, our Edo governor, no be one person own. He donate himself to us to serve us as a governor. He's supposed to be serve us. No be only one person governor. Okay? 80 local government now they rule. And inside the 80 local governments, I come out from there. And if I see good thing, I see do one now. Me, I clap hand for her. I pray, may keep doing the good thing. Those roads, when you say na government road, may try do road for our mothers, for our brothers, for our sisters, for himself. You see that day when erosion almost took him to where he no know. Erosion almost carry him go where he no know. Now, as he don't bring 8 years of rule, hey, my people, hey, election they come next year 4+4 ogba, 4+4 ogba. Election they come next year 4+4 for me. I not see anything. Now only this bike and car security. Now I see election when one carry you go where you don't know that day. Please, Oga, our governor, please try and do roads. Do road for our mama, do road for our papa, do road for our brother, do road for our sister. How many times I talk am? Do that road when you for sick that day. As you still provide this bike, provide car for security, for people to the guide. I hope if you come on, Nigeria, this is Nigeria election. As this man provide now, he na PDP, na be APC. I don't know, I don't care to know any party. I'm just, if he come out, if na APC be or PDP, the next party, if he win for Edo, those things when this man set up now, everything they will sweep under the carpet. Except na good person, now win, now their position, now they will take continue with it. I pray this security when you set up so for Edo State, I pray if you come up for position, if you come up for power, may the next person when you go enter, may continue, may they maintain it so that crime go reduce for Edo. Because now wetin Oshomole tell you say, see wetin I do reach, do one, you no ever do one. Roads, rain, water, in fact, erosion, they pack people, children, mothers. In fact, your car, erosion almost carry you go where you no know. May una they do things well. The next person, the next governor, may una stop party, may una comot. The moment una volunteer, una say una wan serve us. The moment you reach there, forget you are PDP, forget you are APC. Wetin you go do? Focus on the serving. Serve us. You volunteer for us to vote for you. Then serve us. Stop this one at APC, this one at PDP. Now I make this man not do anything at 8 years. If you come my comment section, you say Obaseki do something. Prove everything, come aside. Snap a picture if you are content creator. Use and do video. I will come there, I will come collect and go use and do video. For me, I not see anything when Obaseki do. Time of Oshomole. Oshomole, I don't know one. Who do good, I'll talk am. Bini do they do movie. There is a movie they film about of Oshomole. But this Baba now, every day na news. Every day, whether erosion go carry erosion or this one. My people, for me, I not I not support any party. For me, I just dey. If you do well, I go tell you. But wetin dey pay me? Roads. In fact, na insult to us, we the Edo. If you no know, you want to drop me comment. How? Oh, governor, your own governor, erosion, they carry and they go where he no know. Erosion. Now you want come up for position. Because person wey you want bring come. You think say politicians, forget them. Person when he want try bring out now. People wey buy bike for, na him they go vote for now. Na person wey say may win, na they go vote for. Na campaign, bag of rice don't see start. You know, bribing don't see they start small because election is on the corner. For me, I not see all those things. I take am, but now our rights. Now that is why he ask us, he volunteer, he say he want rule for us. He want serve us. Then we put him there finish. Now fight every day. So he is fighting he old deputy. That one carry and go court. You don't know say as una take gather. Politicians as una take gather, one go there inside. When you go talk to that person will come go tell the person. Now the man go take and go court. No be that one they talk. I say one day I go try to bring her. Wait till I say, may I tell you now, please, if you be anybody, you want volunteer to serve country, please, once the moment you win, remove APC or PDP. You know, work for the citizen. Please, those things, you know, they make country, they go forward. Because Obaseki road when Oshomole do remain, you know ever do. If you say you do, go bring a command. At least now they say, na government road, na federal road. Which one federal road? No be your state. Why you not do one? They don't they give you money every month. All the allowance what they give you now. No, not they make na state. Now I make where people go they insult a president. I'll say, no, now they insult president. No, now they insult na governor. Now governor supposed to they use KT they wipe. Thank you all. What did you talk about this security when our governor bring come for our idol? For me, I appreciate her, but you not do well. 8 years now. Only this security bike, and car. I not see anything. Road, hello, show almost carry and no. You this commenter, don't drop me that comment again. Don't drop me that comment again. Let's join hands together and tell our politics, our politicians, make them stop. As far as they say they want work for us, make them hold that position, that seat, and make them work. And wait till I see. I don't get any side. Okay, I hope I clear myself.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.